In this video, I'll show you how to play GTA 5 on any Chromebook. Off you go! Although there are three major cloud gaming providers with GeForce Now, Xbox Cloud Gaming and Amazon Luna, none of these platforms offers the possibility to play GTA 5. With BoosterRide.com, however, there's now a new cloud gaming provider that gives you the opportunity to play GTA 5 on any Chromebook. To play GTA 5 on your Chromebook, simply open the Chrome browser and go to BoosterRide.com. Just click on the top link in the video description below. Here you now have the option to create your own account or log in with your Google account. The Boostdroid game library is very extensive and will soon be expanded to include games from the Xbox Cloud Gaming platform as well. The principle of Boostdroid is very similar to GeForce Now. You can link the games from your existing game libraries at Epic Games, Steam and other providers with BoosterRide and play them from anywhere with any Chromebook. The service is not free, however, but costs just under $10, respectively euro per month, and you can save a few more bucks if you pay annually. If you have a paid subscription with BoosterRide, you can play the games from your libraries, as well as various free games like CSGO or eFootball 2023 with a few clicks.
Molina does well to get it back. He's tried one! They've done it!
I bought GTA 5 from my Epic Games library and then I linked my Epic Games account to BoosterRide. If you now connect a Bluetooth controller, like the Google Stadia controller in my case, you can play GTA 5 on your Chromebook. It is absolutely amazing that you can play AAA games like GTA 5 or Death Stranding, even with entry Chromebooks like the Acer Chromebook Spin 311. If you want to try out BoosterRide, please use the link in my video description to support my channel How to Chromebook and subscribe now to this channel to never ever miss any great tips and tricks for Chromebooks again. If you want to know the top 10 things every Chromebook user should know, click on the video on the left side. If you want to know how to install Microsoft Office 365 on your Chromebook, click on the video on the right side now, and I say thanks for watching and see you in the next video.